Hey everyone, what's up guys? How are you guys doing? Okay guys, so you're welcome back to my channel and you're welcome back to today's video. So in today's video, if you're new to my channel, you are highly welcome. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to whiten up your teeth using banana peel. Now have you actually tried that before? No, it is actually very good for us to try out new things because this is gonna be super duper amazing and very effective. So let me take you right into this video so you could see how effective this is and all of the ingredients that are in it. Okay, do not forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe and share this video. Now let me take you right in. Okay guys, so to whiten up your teeth and have your teeth sparkling white, we're gonna be needing to use banana, and in this banana you're gonna be using the banana peel. Have you actually tried using banana peel before? This is actually going to be a savior for you and it's going to help you so much. Okay guys, so this is what you're going to do. You're going to grab your ripe banana. Make sure that your banana is super duper ripe. And then you're going to peel it up. Now after peeling the banana, then what you do is that we're going to be taking the inner part of this banana peel. We're going to be taking the inner part of the banana peel. Then I'm going to be putting it into a mortar. So I'll try to take much. Okay, so after taking it in, then we'll have to crush it, okay, and make it smooth. So you have to make sure that it is actually very smooth. Alright, so after we should crushed it that way, it is now smooth. And then this is how it is. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is that, okay guys, so we're going to be putting in Colgate toothpaste. Now if you don't have Colgate toothpaste, you can use a white toothpaste that has refreshing mints in it. Okay, basically that's what you need. So we're gonna be mixing it all up. Now do not bother if your banana peel is going dark. It's actually going to help to do the job very well. Okay guys, so we're gonna be needing to use baking soda. Now baking soda, it's It's an ingredient that helps to whiten up the teeth. It contains this whitening property that whitens up the teeth. But baking soda is actually not something you have to use for your teeth every day. It's something you have to use at least once in a week, okay, because of the harshness of it, okay. So once in a week of using baking soda on your teeth is perfect. So what you do is that you grab in 1 tablespoon of baking soda and then you put it inside of this ingredient. It's actually going to be making this ingredient even darker, but it is still very, very good. So after mixing it that way, we'll be needing to use a little bit of coconut oil. Now when it comes to the teeth, coconut oil is actually very essential and is actually very, very good for the teeth because it helps your teeth from bacteria, and it also helps to prevent the abrasiveness of the baking soda, okay. So it also helps your teeth stay away from smelling, okay, like your gum, your mouth and all of that. So your mouth is actually not going to smell if you are always using baking soda. Collect anything that she's using to make noise. So after putting that in, then we'll have to stir and turn it this way. Alright guys, so for this whitening teeth remedy, you would have to use it once in a week, at most twice in a week, okay. You will be needing a brush to do that. So you're gonna be needing a brush, and then you're gonna be taking this paste. So you have to make just a little quantity, okay, so that you don't have to waste. So you're gonna be taking this paste, and then you're going to walk it through your mouth, and then you're going to brush your teeth using the up and down direction. When you want to go the other way, you turn it using the up and down direction, okay. And then when you brush your upper mouth, you brush the upper part, also, and then you would be brushing your tongue, okay, in a circular motion, just like this. Brush it in a circular motion. Now immediately you're done brushing it, you would have to spit it out and use water to rinse it out. You don't let it sit in your mouth for too long, okay. When you're done, you have to rinse everything out, and then you're going to see that your teeth is going to change from what it was. Now before you actually try this whitening teeth remedy, you have to take a picture of your teeth before you brush with it. Now after you brush with it, then you take another picture and see how helpful this has actually helped your teeth whiten up, okay. So that's it guys, go give this a try once or twice in a week. It's going to help you to whiten up your teeth. So that's it. I actually use that illustration to show you so you could know how to wash your mouth. Now you have to, it is a must that you must wash your tongue anytime you wash your teeth. If you're actually just washing your teeth and you don't wash your tongue, that means you're not brushing, like literally, because the most dirty part is your tongue, okay. That is actually what is making your mouth smell. And if you must wash, you have to wash from the inside out, okay. So you do this at least once or twice in a week and get a whiter teeth and get a more sparkling teeth. Okay guys, so that's it. That is an amazing way in which you are going to keep your teeth healthy, remove bad mouth odor, remove bad smell, and get a white teeth, and also get rid of dental plaque and tartar, because when you begin to use this at least once or twice in a week, your teeth is going to stay away from tartar and dental plaque, and you're gonna be happy. So that's it. If you do love this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye guys.